What's up, my friends? So today I just want to share something that I've been noticing as my eyes have been getting very tight, as I've been working a lot, staring at the screen a lot, really narrowly focused. So I'm going to invite you to do some eye rolls with me. So I put a video like this many months ago. A lot of y'all loved it. So here's the reminder to you. Do the little eye rolls with me. So we're going to stretch out the eyes, decompress the eyes from all the stress that we put on them. So we're going to just do some eye rolls to the right. Just really try to get that full circle rotation. Really nice circles, then maybe go to the left. Just notice if you feel any pulling, any tightness in the eyes, any strain. Maybe that's your reminder you've been too narrowly focused. You need to look around. Look around in the world. Stop focusing on one thing, you know? So doing some eye circles. Looking up, looking down, bottom corner, other bottom corner, top right, top left. Maybe squeezing the eyes shut. Something I like to do is just kind of take my palms and just lightly press. A little massage on the eyeballs. When was the last time you massaged your eyeballs? Let me know. I'm curious. Have you ever? Maybe it was the last time I put out a video. I know it looks weird. Feels pretty good. Maybe stretch out all around. Shake out the face. The mouth, the jaw, all these muscles are connected. Let's just massage under the eyes, on the eyebrows, on the temples here. Just releasing all that eye tension. Opening really wide. It's tough to do it in the sun here. Just doing some weird shit with your face. It's pretty much what it comes down to. Doing weird shit, maybe scratching your head, getting that blood flow, getting all the dead skin off. You know, be a little weird. Let it go. Roll the eyes. Yeah, this is when your mother told you not to roll your eyes at her. Roll your eyes. It's good for you. Not at people, but you know. A little roll. Hope that helps.